Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this Virgo makeup and hair transformation that I did for this Virgo season. So happy Virgo season to all my lovely Virgos out there. I hope it's amazing. So I am starting with a pretty basic base makeup by priming my face. I'm using a Touch and Soul primer. Obviously you can use whatever you like. And I'm following up with a Becca Luminous foundation. Again, if you're doing this on yourself, just use whatever you like and whatever you have at home. Now I'm going in with this ColourPop Pretty Fresh contour. And, oh, it's a concealer. Just kidding. So we're concealing and highlighting as well. Just your basic areas that you want to highlight. And blending it in, of course. And now we're going to go in with contour, and I'm using a Fenty Beauty cream contour in the shade Amber, and this is like literally my favorite cream contour ever. I've had the stick and I've had this, both are super amazing. So I'm just doing this for a basic contour on my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and my nose, just trying to get some pretty cool definition going on, but not doing anything too crazy. Also, my little tortie cat, Lou, decided to pay a visit, so everyone say hi, Lou. Now, obviously, contouring the nose. I am just doing this because I really enjoy contouring my nose. Obviously, this is not, like, necessary by any means for this makeup look. Now I'm doing my brows, so I'm starting with this brown mascara just to coat all the lashes evenly and get them up in place of like a gel, basically. Now we're going into camera number 2. Ooh, cool stuff. So I'm using this brow pen, and I actually have no idea what this is. I'm sorry, I just have it. And I'm just kind of drawing on my eyebrows, basically. And after this, it's not on camera, but I do go in with a darker eyeshadow and just kind of darken up the eyebrows a little bit. And now I am using this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my face. This gives a really nice sheen and a good all-over bronzer as well. And I'm just going to redefine the cheekbones and everything with a contour again. I'm going to blend that out with my brush, and then with my little Real Technique sponge, I'm just kind of blending everything a little bit more, cleaning up any lines, and just kind of perfecting the base. Now I am doing Faux Freckles, and guys, this is like the 4th time I've ever done this, so it was difficult, and you can't really see it on this camera, but once we switch to camera 2, you'll see it a lot better. I'm basically just using this brown eyebrow pencil, and then I'm going to go back in with my eyebrow pen, and it just like wasn't showing up once I blended it, so they're there. I know they're kind of hard to see, but I really wanted to do freckles. It just felt very Virgo to me. I think just the whole maiden idea, it just felt right. Okay guys, so now I'm just putting on a blush. Just do whatever you want. I went for a pink tone blush. And now I'm going into my ColourPop So Jaded palette, and I am just using like kind of a nice coppery shimmery tone. It seemed summery and not too crazy, and so that's kind of the vibe I wanted to go for. I'm also going to put the same color on my lower lash line as well. And now, as always, I am underlining my lash line. I just like doing this for whatever makeup I'm doing. It makes your lashes look thicker and it just makes everything look a lot more cohesive, so I always recommend doing that. And for eyeliner, I am just using a dark brown eyeshadow and kind of winging it out. And I'm also doing the same thing on the bottom lash line, but I'm not connecting the line, and you'll see in a second. It's basically just continuing the bottom lash line into a wing of its own. It gives this really doe-eyed effect, and again, just with the maiden being the symbol of Virgo, I thought that just fit the character really well. And now I'm just applying some mascara. This is Big Ego by Tarte, but again, use whatever you want. I love this mascara though, and I highly recommend it if you're in the market for a new one. And also, I always put mascara on my eyebrows. I don't know why. I feel like this works really well for a gel, and it just like keeps them in place and looking really defined. And now I'm just overlining my lips with a nude lip liner. I just wanted to make them look more full. And then I'm going to go in with this comically large Clinique chubby stick. I wanted to go for like a pink natural shade. For the lashes, I cut in half a pair of Wispy by Ardell lashes, and these just make such a natural look. It doesn't even look like you're wearing lashes, it just looks like they're really, really long, and so again, I kind of just wanted to go natural for this look. And I am going to take my mascara and go over the lashes that are not covered with the falsies, just to kind of blend them and make them all look really cohesive and nice. I am putting on the Cleopatra highlighter from Juvia's Place. Obviously use whatever highlighter you have, but if you have fair skin, I love this highlighter so much, and it's what I've been using every single day for a while. So makeup is done. We are going to move on to the hair, and so what I did, obviously I have my hair in French braids, and I am just going to wrap these around my head like a little braid crown and pin them in place. I only use 2 bobby pins. If I was going to wear the wig throughout the day, I would probably double it, put in like 4 bobby pins just to make sure that it's like nice and safe. And then I'm just throwing on this wig. I really don't remember where this is from, but if I find out, I will put it in the description box. So once my wig is on and in place, I'm going to go ahead and just braid the front 2 strands of my wig and tie them off at the end. And I had these faux flowers, so I just kind of cut them off of their stem, and I'm placing them in my hair with a bobby pin. And I thought this just looked so cute, and I'm gonna honestly do this with my own hair, just like on a daily basis. So this is how the look turned out. I put on this pink off the shoulder top, and I'm honestly so happy with how it looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed. please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.